Ask yourself the question, do I exist? Do not just utter the words, but actually ask yourself the question. If you have genuinely asked the question, then you already have the answer. Existing is a prerequisite to genuinely asking the question. Perhaps someone has taught a parrot to say the same words, yet even then it is a repetition of sound, their words, rather than a new and genuine question. So do not merely echo the sounds of others. Authentically own your words. Find your genuine ideas. Discover the truth of yourself. Own your sovereign existence. Be curious, discern truth, connect with and share love, kindness, and compassion. Remember, you are great and small, and everything between. You are a leaf at the tip of a branch, on a tree at the edge of a forest, on a planet about its orbital path of a sun, in a system at the edge of a galaxy, in a fractal universe unfolding upon an infinite lattice of space and time. You are a symphony and its conductor. Your oneness is a harmony and a chaos of possibility. Your body has 2 feet, 2 legs, 2 arms, 2 eyes, 2 hemispheres that make up your brain. You are divided and unified. You are 2 halves which combine to make something new and distinctly unique from the parts. How many times have you been torn between 2 options? Wanting to go left but choosing right, wanting to go right but choosing left, all the while being in discord. Dis meaning apart and cord from heart, literally decisions made apart from the heart. The heart and mind can unify and present entirely new options you may have never known to exist. Options in concordance, meaning together with the heart, and harmony with all that is you. Are you curious in whom you are in service to? Self? Others? Truth? Love? Discord? Harmony? Imagine, you are an omnipresent God. You exist wherever possible. In order to create something, you must divide yourself. You must create space within. In order not to be alone, you must offer a spark of your own consciousness. But then it is just a spark, a seed, so you must set it free in a space beyond your interference, granting it free will so that it might learn, grow, become aware, discover what it means to be cruel and kind, to create discord and harmony, injustice and justice. Is light or love ever truly appreciated without having known their absence? Just as a tree comes from a seed, which comes from a tree, you are a speck of light, a seed of consciousness, which comes from a great pool of light, a great consciousness. All that exists has a source, an origin. Everything comes from somewhere. The concept of nothing ends with the concept itself because nothing does not exist. Even space is something, as is the fabric upon which all things are constructed. When something exists, it exists infinitely and eternally. The form may change, the collection of parts may shift, but something that exists cannot cease to exist. So again I ask you to ask yourself the question, do I exist? It can be difficult to escape the idea that you are the one and only God. Alas, why shouldn't the seed believe it is the tree? Is it not? Yet self-aggrandizing serves only a false ego. It ignores love and truth. Humility is the way, kindness, compassion. In this state of consciousness, the ultimate goal is the same. Eliminate our hypocrisies, grow in love, brighten our light, and illuminate the metaphorical darkness. All things done sincerely with true love.